So this beast is what I use normally for filming a lot of my content, my video reviews and things like that. It's big, it's bulky, it's not too heavy, but it does require, having a lot of space to plan it down and set it up, and then I have to use a certain type of pivot and a weird mount and that sort of thing. It works well, it's fine. But I'm going to be going into a alternative to this, which is much more portable, probably less expensive, and super useful for any content creators, influencers out there, simply because it is small and portable and extremely flexible based on your use case. So stay tuned. Hey, it's HighTechDad, and welcome to my channel where I review all types of tech. Tech for home, tech for on the go, and tech for work. Today I'm outside with some kind of tech that could be used at home, work, or more likely on the go. And what it is the KraftGeek JustTap Tripod. So this is a 65-inch fully extended and unfolded portable tripod, which I'm going to go into what makes it so portable and that sort of thing. But you can see just from looking at it how extremely small and portable it is. And earlier in the intro, I talked about taking my old larger tripod taking up a huge footprint. This is much smaller when you look at the tripod part itself, and you can see I have an iPhone mounted on it, and that's using the MagSafe. So I'm going to be going through the unboxing, what's on the box, what's in the box, and then give a few thoughts on why I really like this as a potential on-the-go influencer, video creator tool that I think should be in a lot of people's tool chest when they're doing any kind of filming. And I have a feeling that one or more of my daughters are going to try to steal this from me, so I'm going to have to figure out a good place to hide it. Let's take a look at what's on the box of the KraftGeek JustTap Tripod. So it has some information here, 65 inches high, unfolded. This is sort of an overview of what it looks like. You can see that when it's folded, it's probably a little bit less than the size of this box. And then there's a little bit more detail in here. So 2-in-1 usage, handheld selfie stick, as well as a smartphone tripod, Bluetooth compatible remote. So there is a magnetic Bluetooth remote supposedly inside, MagSafe compatible. So it magnetically mounts to your iPhone or other smartphone, and then you can tap it on the bottom to release the legs. And here you can kind of see what you can do. So they do give you a warning not to put your hands down below here and to hold it there so that you don't get hit by the legs. And so here are the steps. You unpack it, you attach the MagSafe to it, you extend and open it, and then you can detach the remote. So that's pretty much it on the box. So let's take a look at what's in the box. Okay, so let's take a look at what's in the box. So carefully packaged here. Hopefully I can fit this all in the camera. So basically that's it in the box. So here we have, it looks like some instructions, a user manual, and it looks like there is a charging cable in here. Let's open it up and take a look. So there is a magnetic ring, so you can use this in a smartphone that doesn't have a MagSafe. And here's the instructions, very simple, not too much on here, but it does talk about it. So I'll save that for later. So that's the ring. And then you have a USB Type A and USB Type C cable. And then you have the tripod itself. So let's take a look at that. Can't save this bag at all. So let's see what that looks like. So here you can see the length of the KraftGeek tripod. Here is a Bluetooth remote that you can detach. So I'll definitely set that up. And then here is the MagSafe. There's a protective cover, MagSafe to attach it on. So I'm going to start testing this out and see how it works, and hopefully not hurt myself as I smash it down to extend the legs. So I'm going to test that out now. I decided to go outside to do this filming, first because it's a really nice day out, but also because this tripod's really handy for on the go. So you can see how small it is, and it's easy to throw into a backpack. So it does have the telescoping part of it, so you can use this as a selfie stick if you wanted to. It has a pivoting MagSafe attachment here, and I have my old iPhone. You can just attach it on and use it as a selfie stick, which is kind of nice. And then of course it can act as a tripod. So the way that they say to do it is you're gonna tap this on the ground and then the legs will extend. They say to hold it here. And so let's try that out. So tap, it comes out, you lock it into place, and here you have a tripod all set and ready to go. Just snap your phone on there, you can extend it up, and you can see it can go fairly high. I think this is almost the highest it can go. It's probably out of the camera right now, so it is almost at face level if you're standing up. So really nice small form factor, and you can see how it telescopes up and down. You can put it on a table or what have you. Well, I had to back up the camera so that I could get the full length of this tripod in here. And in fact, I don't think I have it extended all the way. But here it is all the way up, and you can see I'm about 5'7", and you can see it's literally at my eye level here. So it's very handy. You have the remote control where I could trigger things directly on the screen, take a picture, start a video recording, that sort of thing. Super handy to have, and it attaches magnetically into the base as well. It's fairly stable. I mean, your phone is heavy and this is fairly thin, and this is very lightweight. So you do have to be a little careful about this. But let's go through a few of the other features that I really like. First, let's start with the price. So it is about $50 right now. I do have a coupon code listed in the description. Just use HighTechDad and you can get 15% off of the purchase price, so be sure to do that. I like the fact that it is extremely lightweight. It compacts down to something that is very small. You could put it into a holder of your backpack, like where you would put your umbrella or something. It's not much larger than like a folded up compact umbrella. The fact that you have a MagSafe connector means you can do landscape or portrait mode on this, so it's great for shorts, it's great for longer form videos like this type of thing. The magnetic head here does pivot so you can get the right angle. Anyway, is this something that you think would be good in your filming portfolio, your tool chest for filming? I'm definitely going to be using this because the tripod that I have right now that I'm using is a lot bigger, a lot bulkier, a lot heavier. It has mounts and handles where I have to pivot, but this, it's all compact in here. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. If so, I would really appreciate a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe. It helps the algorithm present you with reviews similar to this. It also lets me know that this content is helpful to you. So where can you find out more about me? Well, you can always go to my website. It's been running now for over 2 decades, and that's at HighTechDad.com. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on social and just do a search for HighTechDad. I'm on a lot of the different platforms, so be sure to do that. And you can always head over to my Facebook page at facebook.com/HTDblog. Hope you liked the review. Leave a comment. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next review.